Welcome to Jamaican Crime, the channel that discusses crime in Jamaica. Today there was a shooting incident at the Maroon New Year's celebration held in St. Elizabeth on January 6, 2020. 6 persons were shot. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has launched a probe into last night's shooting in a kampung, St. Elizabeth, where a man was fatally shot while 5 others, including children, were shot and injured during a confrontation with a policeman. So let's look at what happened. The police had warned or advised the Maroons against having this celebration as it violates the Disaster Risk Management Act protocols. The government said no permits were issued for this event. But the Maroons had the event anyway. Like so many other persons in Jamaica, they do what they want. So the event took place while Jamaica under curfew, while the limit for gathering is 10 and while COVID-19 is spreading like crazy through the island. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Superintendent Dwight Daly indicated that cops received a call about the shooting about 9:40 and a team was sent to the community. He said those cops were informed that 6 persons, 4 adults and 2 children, were shot and that one of the adults subsequently succumbed to his injuries. The other injured persons were taken to the Black River Hospital. When the police started to investigate, they found out that a police officer was involved in the shooting. It is not clear what led to the police officer discharging his weapon, but INDECOM has seized the weapon and started an investigation. It turns out the weapon was his government-issued firearm. The officer was also injured during the incident and taken to the hospital for treatment. The officer was taken to the Mandeville Hospital while the persons that were shot were taken to the Black River Hospital. I have to wonder, can the Black River Hospital manage 5 gunshot victims all arriving at the same time? We will keep you updated on this story. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.